All right, Steve, here we are at one of the greatest features of the Stanley A. Milner, the digital wall. Now, tell me a little bit about the digital wall and what it does.
The wall is a large-scale digital interactive exhibit. It's one of very few exhibits of its type actually in the world, Marty. We're very proud to be able to host this right here at Edmonton Public Library. The wall is over 40 feet wide and it's 2 stories tall. It allows us to present interactive experiences in a whole new different way.
I understand that this is more than just a giant television screen. We can actually do stuff with it.
That's right, Marty. The wall's intent is to inspire imagination on a grand scale. It's an interactive digital experience. So we encourage customers to come to the wall itself and touch on the surfaces. You can interact with dinosaurs or even marine life as well in our underwater virtual reef. Behind each of those experiences there's a lot of embedded scientific information. As you touch on the marine creatures, you can read about their biology, their ecosystem, and learn a great deal of information behind those creatures and what it means to be living in a world of Great Barrier Reef.
And if a school or a class wanted to book a specific tour of the digital wall, is that possible?
The addition of the interactive wall now, or the wall, enables classes to spend some time interacting with the wall and equally spending time within one of our programs, for example, to take that information away and do a classroom activity with what they've just learned.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now, let's say I'm done with learning and I want to have some fun. Is there some games I can play on the digital wall?
So beyond the scientific and learning aspects of the wall, our staff have also added some additional fun capabilities to the wall as well. One of the exhibits we call the Carnival, and it's based on being in a virtual scene at a carnival where you get to play and interact with the wall. It's one of the first products that EPL ourselves have developed completely in-house as we look to develop more products in the future as well. And of course, we're always open to collaborating with communities and other agencies in the community as well in terms of developing future content for interactive for the wall.
To run and maintain this wall, exactly, like it's not just one giant screen, right?
The wall is actually quite a complex installation. So it's made up of collectively over 300 different individual screens, digital screens. The wall takes 12 computers to run, all concurrently, collaborating together in real time, to render the 3D scenes, the three-dimensional scenes that you see. When creating the wall, we've implemented some of the greatest and best technology available today in the market. In fact, some of the technology we have available in the wall wasn't even available when the initial design concept began.
What is your hope that somebody who comes into the library for the first time, what do you hope that they sort of take away as soon as they see this wall?
Not only is it visually inspiring, but my hope is that it'll inspire imagination and creativity from customers into exploring the scientific aspects of the wall or the information available through the wall, but beyond that also thinking about, okay, what is it like to really be part of these ecosystems, these worlds?
Now, it is an impressive feature of the library. I want to finish off with one question, which is, why have a digital wall in a public library?
The library has always been a space for imagination and learning, and the wall offers a unique learning experience that also includes lifestyle scale experiences with sound and motion as well, exploring those other senses that we have.